everyone, this is Cassie Duan again. So nice to have you all here. In previous videos, we talked about Swan handy welder and the swing laser cutting. Today, let's talk about a star machine and Penta Laser, the bolt fiber laser cutting machine. It's the first high power over 10 kW installed in many countries. With Italian system, German laser source cutting head, Japanese servo motor, Spanish nesting, American, French, and Swiss electrical parts, both combine the leading components all over the world. From 2 kW to 20 kW, cable size from 3 by 1.5 meter to 12 by 2.5 meter. Feel free to choose what you need. Those rapid speed can reach 200 meters per minute with 4G max acceleration. Its mechanical positioning accuracy can reach plus or minus 0.03 millimeter per meter, and its repeated accuracy can reach plus or minus 0.01 millimeter, representing the highest level in China. Its superior dynamic performance is rooted in our leading technologies, such as Superfast Plus, IQ cutting, precision cutting, stick-plate limit cutting, low-pressure nitrogen cutting, and also the intelligent anti-collision and our automatic focal drift composition. Beside me is a real bolt, 6 by 2.5 meter, 12 kW with IPG laser source. Let's check it out. Blue and white appearance, simple and pleasing to the eye. 27-inch big touchscreen, able to rotate by 90 degrees. Images monitored by cameras inside and backside clearly show cutting process. Large anti-radiation glass, protect personal safety, and easy for observation. Pellet exchange design helps bear heavy plate and distribute stress on the frame to avoid internal deformation. Automatic partition dust extractor collects dust with movement of cutting head. Together with the trolley on the bottom, they can help keep a clean working environment for you. Besides these great configurations, to make sure our bolt can deliver satisfying dynamic performance, the weight of our gantry structure is reduced by 30%. With the imported linear guide, racks and pinions, the whole combination assures long-term stable operation for your production. To make the best use of all those fantastic components, our bolt is equipped with Italian CNC system and also the Smart Manager operation software. They are only used for laser cutting and welding, and they are developed by our own. So you can only find them at Penta Laser. With the dual PC system, bolt can have one PC precisely control XYZ axis motion, while the other PC can manage cutting process like interface parameters, assisting gas change, nesting at the same time. This is how our bolt can maintain high speed, reduce terminal response time, and accomplish intelligent cutting. Here's the database embedded in bolt with abundant parameter resources. It's the treasure we have accumulated for more than 30 years. Italian, English, Portuguese, French, Spanish, Dutch, Korean, Japanese, Russian, multiple language options, easy for you to understand. With a wide range of power level from 2 kW to 20 kW, there are so many unique technologies you can enjoy on bolt. For low power, besides the very resourceful database, we can directly set gas pressure on the interface. No need to go between panel and gas valve. It saves time. Offline nesting is also available. Your technician can do nesting on PC that won't influence your cutting production. And here's a very useful function you'll definitely like: 360-degree intelligent anti-collision. It is achieved by our Smart Manager and a non-contact sensor on the cutting head. When the sensor detects barrier on plate, Smart Manager will control the head to jump over it and avoid collision. It can greatly help protect your cutting head and cutting materials. So for medium power, bolt has the very efficient IQ cutting on 3 kW and 6 kW, like we introduced on swing last time. It also supports precision cutting to cut small holes, burr-free surface, and sharp corners. So when we cut sharp corners, our bolt doesn't need to do chamfer. It just cuts corner by one move clearly, no chamfer. Let's check some samples later. Now, welcome our old friend Jason, the head of our cutting application department, to introduce a very important technology, Superfast Plus. Hi Jason, it's so nice to have you here again.
Hi Cassie, my pleasure. What do you want to talk about?
You well explained IQ cutting last time, so would you please tell us something about Superfast Plus today?
Okay, no problem. Superfast Plus is based on our Italian system. It can help improve cutting efficiency with 10 mm thickness by nitrogen or air, and it also keep a much longer lifespan of plastic glass.
So what power levels that it supports?
You can have it from 1 kilowatt to 20 kilowatt.
Wow, that's a wide range. So why can it also, improve the cutting efficiency and prolong the lifespan of lens?
Because our system optimizes capacitive sensor controlling and cutting paths, and it supports fly piercing on Superfast. Efficiency is improved because there is no stop during the whole cutting process. And because of fly piercing, the jaws produced during piercing is not easy to shoot onto the bottom of plastic glass.
Wow, it sounds amazing. So customers can save lots of time on it.
Yes, our target is to help customers save more time in mass production so they can make more profit. Look at this pattern. It's 8 mm thick. To cut it by 12 kilowatt, the cycle time is 72 seconds by standard mode. If we use Superfast Plus, we can cut it in 37 seconds by only 6 kilowatt.
Wow, no wonder with this function we can call bolt the perfect maker. So with lower power, we can even have the speed higher. Thank you very much for your time today. I know you are quite busy because we have so many machines to make.
You're welcome. Bolt is a very good model. If you have any customer who wants a premium machine, don't hesitate to recommend Bolt.
Jason is quite right. Bolt is the first 20 kilowatt published in China. As a very professional manufacturer of fiber laser cutting machine, we have paid much attention to the common problems easy to happen while cutting thick plates. So when we use high power, it's very easy to have the focal drift, which may influence your cutting quality. So on Bolt, you can enjoy the automatic focal drift compensation, which can avoid focal drift and ensure you very high cutting quality. And you can also have the water cooling function, which the sprayed water can cool down the plate and maintain you very good cutting effect. Moreover, on high power bolt, you can also use less pressure of nitrogen to cut stainless steel. Think about how much money you can save on gas. Because of our focus on high power development and technology innovation, bolt can cut 70 mm mild steel and 100 mm stainless steel with satisfying performance. So far, we have delivered many 20 kilowatts. If you are looking for such high power, don't miss a chance to try our bolt, the Profit Maker. Now let's welcome a new friend, our senior engineer Shu Kai, to show us what this 12 kilowatt bolt can cut. Right now, right here. Hi Shu Kai.
Hi Cassie.
How are you doing these days? You look quite busy. Are there many inquiries for sample cutting?
Yes, as always.
Oh, thank you very much for your time today. Would you please show us what this bolt can cut?
Sure, let's cut in 3 samples.
The first sample is 5 mm stainless steel. Cycle time is 25 seconds. The second sample is 20 mm stainless steel with laser marking. Cycle time is 33 seconds. The third sample is 30 mm mild steel. Cycle time is 34 seconds. What you hear may be wrong, but what you see cannot lie. Check those samples. Different materials, different thickness, or well cut. Besides good samples, our technologies also help protect lens. After cutting, the lens is still clean. Being laser application expert, creating value for customer has been and will always be Penta's philosophy. Whatever machines we make, whatever technologies we develop, our ultimate goal is to help you get more profits. Bolt as a profit maker is an optimal solution for your high power choice. If you are looking for a customized machine with a much bigger size or you have inquiry on tube cutting, don't miss the next videos we are gonna show. Stay tuned, don't go away. See you next time.